YouTube? Happy Sunday, guys. So, like, most of the dinner is almost done. I don't even know why.
Bruh.
Pretty much waited till last minute to start recording, but it's mostly done. It's mostly done. All right, so we are doing some salmon, some wild rice and broccoli. The wild rice and broccoli is already done. I have cleaned my salmon. I am heating up the olive oil in the pan. I just took my brush and then brushed my olive oil on the opposite side of the salmon. So in my skillet, I did some Pinch Perfect Cajun and a little bit of some honey garlic. And then on top of the salmon, I did Lori seasoned salt, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some good old Slap Your Mama. Those were the only seasonings I used. And I just realized, y'all, with this phone, I have to actually stop and flip it and then start recording that way. So this is basically what everything's looking like. We have our broccoli ready back there. For the broccoli, I use some little bit of lemon juice, some salted butter, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of seasoning salt, and some Slap Your Mama, and then a little bit of some red crushed peppers just to add a little bit of zest to it. Let the butter melt down in a little bit of water, and then I threw my broccoli in, fresh broccoli, not frozen this time. Mixed it in and let it cook until it was just about done. And then I made my wild rice up here, y'all. It was just boxed rice with the packet. Added some butter to it and let that cook completely thoroughly. And then here is our olive oil ready for the salmon. These are the salmon patties. I did get skinless because I noticed that it blackens better when it's already skinless. And I didn't want to go through the trouble of having to peel it. So I just got skinless. And I feel like I'm just going to stick with getting skinless. It's a little bit more expensive. And you don't get as much of it. But I feel like it's worth it for not having to freaking peel and break your salmon. Because every time I end up peeling it, it breaks the way that the salmon actually is formed. And like, I like it to be nice and neat looking. And once you get off the skin on the back of it, like, it's completely ruined as far as the appearance. And I'm like, man, this is not what I signed up for. So I feel like I'm just going to start getting it already skinless, like I did now. And just take the loss of not having the big pack of salmon. Because, I mean, honestly, I don't even need it anyway. But, and I meal prep, so it's actually worth it. And then, I feel like that's more than enough to actually meal prep. So, yeah, once it's gone, I'm good. But that's what it's looking like, y'all. And then after the salmon has blackened on that side, I'm going to flip it and we'll be done. But yeah, I am sorry, y'all. I started without y'all. I definitely started without y'all. So I will be back after this salmon is somewhat done. It is so hot in here. And then we can go from there. So see you guys soon. See, y'all, this is exactly what I'm talking about with the skinned already salmon. Look at how perfectly these turned out. Perfect. Perfect on the front and back. I will flip it over, but I don't want it to break up because they already perfect, y'all. So salmon is done. My rice is done, of course. And the broccoli is done. And then put all together, this is what we are looking like, y'all. So yeah, now it is time to eat. Hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye. Whoop, whoop. My cutie, y'all. Can I see him? I can't see him. Say bye to YouTube, cutie. Bye. Oh, you moody. You all the way moody. All right, guys. Until next Sunday. See ya.